Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got the 2022 Silver 1 ounce Kookaburra. Now this is one of my favourite coins. I love the way that they update the design every year, and they seem to change the design quite a bit each year. Now with some coins like the Britannia for example, we've had changes over the years, but some of the changes have been quite subtle and they haven't really been that big of changes. For example, they've just added the background, or they've tweaked it a little bit here and there. Whereas with the Kookaburra coin, they really do switch it up every single year. So for example, some years have 2 Kookaburras on them. This year has 1. This is perching on the side of like a building here. Some of them are perching on trees, in bushes. So really interesting. It's really one of those coins that you look forward to seeing what design the following year is going to bring. Now the series is from the Perth Mint, which is located in Perth, which is in Australia, and the first coin was produced in 1990. Now 2020 marked the 30th anniversary of the coin, and as you can see, this is a 2022. So this coin has been knocking around for around 32 years, this series has. So really nice coin. I like the portrait of the queen on the back. I like how it's kind of like the reverse frosted effect. It makes it harder to film on camera, but it just gives it a really nice effect. It's got a face value of $1 Australian dollar. And it's just, like I said, a really nice coin. If I zoom in a little bit, you can see it says at the top, 2022, 1 ounce, 999, so 4 9s fine silver. So really the purest you're going to get on a bullion coin. And it just looks like an amazing coin. I really like the font and the text on this year's one. This has got to be one of my favourite years, I think. I just really like how the text looks. I really like the look of the Kookaburra. Some of the year's Kookaburras, they look a bit flatter almost, whereas this one looks quite streamlined. Really nice detail. I like how it's got a couple of kind of plants in the background, a bit of shrubbery coming over here. You can see it's got the P for the Perth Mint down the bottom. Just a really nice looking coin. Like I said, this has probably got to be one of my favourite years. I'm interested to see what the 2023 brings. Now, I haven't got many Kookaburra coins in the stack. I've only recently started kind of adding some of these to the stack. And when I saw this one, I just couldn't resist, just because it looks like such a nice coin. So do let me know in the comment section if you have the Kookaburra in your stack. I am going to attach a photo on the screen now, just to show you some of the previous year's versions. Now this photo, you can see it's from Susie Gold. I haven't actually used this website to purchase any silver from, so this is definitely not an endorsement or anything of the website. It's just the best image I could find of most of the coins all lined up together. So like I said, really nice coin. And what I like about the Kookaburra coins is they have a limited mintage, whereas like the Silver Britannia for example, I think that's an unlimited mintage. So they'll literally just keep minting right up until they bring out the next year. Whereas with the Kookaburra, they actually have a limited mintage. Every year is different from what I believe. I'll put on the screen now a couple of links that I found that says that this particular year has 500,000 released. So although that seems like a lot compared to some 1 ounce coins that are kind of an unlimited mintage, it does make it a more sought after coin, because as time goes on, you'll see a lot of those coins will be damaged or lost or won't be looked after as much as some of them. So they will kind of hold their premium. They do seem to hold their premium, the Kookaburras. But then with that being said, you can quite often get quite good deals on them if you shop around. So yeah, do always shop around. When these first come out, you see they command quite a big premium, especially on the second-hand market, because you get people that buy them and then resell them because they sell out quite quickly. But once it kind of levels out, you can pick these up for relatively nice price. So yeah, like I said, do let me know if you have these in your stack. Let me know what you think of this particular design. As always, thank you very much for stopping by and watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.